Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you a person who likes to be toasty all the time? Well, it can be expensive to heat a whole house, but you no longer need to because of this Room Expert space heater. This thing is tiny but powerful. A great feature is this button on the bottom. If it tips over or isn't on a flat surface, it will turn off. So you don't have to worry about any kids or pets knocking it over and starting a fire. This is perfect for an office space where you're on your phone because it's so quiet. Like I said, this thing is powerful. You know that great feeling when you're walking in the store after being outside on a wintry day and you get that huge gust of warm air that they have blowing at you? It's like having that wherever you want it. It heats up super quick. As soon as I sat down at my desk and turned this on within minutes, I was like, oh my goodness, it's hot in here. It's super small, as you can see next to my hand, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And on the back is a nice little handle, so you can carry this with you wherever you need it. It's very easy to work. It's a little power switch on the back, and there's level 1 and 2 depending on how much heat you want. If you're looking for an easy way to be super toasty whenever you want, I highly recommend this Room Expert heater. It will blow you away, literally.
But that's just my point of view.